Hi, my name is Blake. I'm with the Prep program.
All right, I was expecting you. Come on in.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Hey San Francisco, have an old water guzzling toilet? You might be eligible to replace it with a water efficient model for free, including installation by a licensed plumber. While funds last, our Plumbing Fixture Replacement Program, aka PREP, is open for residential account holders who have toilets that use 3.5 gallons per flush or more. We have successfully installed thousands of fixtures through the PREP program. Toilets are typically responsible for 25% of indoor water use. Customers who have replaced old toilets have been very happy with their water savings, which often translate into significant savings on their water bills. To apply online, visit us at sfwater.org/PREP, because rain or shine, there is never enough water to waste.